Molly, where's my phone?
I got it.
Where?
I mean, open it. I wonder what Nana got you. I need some help.
Okay, you just pull this.
Pull this out. Ah! What's it? It's a card. It says, "Look who's 3," and it's a piggy. Oh, and look. You have stickers that you can use to decorate the cake. Can I use my stickers now?
Well, let's open your present first, honey.
Okay. See, she got stickers to decorate the white cake.
Cool.
Like hers. Open the bow. Take off the bow. Now, Addie, I'm trying to open it from here, okay? Need help? Yeah.
Just do the first strip for it, yeah.
There.
What is it?
Look! What is it? They're blocks. Can I use them right now?
Yeah. Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Nana and Grandpa?
Thank you, Nan, Grandpa. Okay.